Cadet is proud to introduce our new XT Enduro Series line of lawn and garden tractors, our strongest, most reliable tractor ever. This tractor isn't just built to last, it's built to love season after season. This video walk-around will show you why the XT Enduro Series is a premium product with the features and benefits that you expect from Cadet. Let's start with our commitment to customer support. We are the only manufacturer in the industry to offer customer support 7 days a week through our call center. When you call us, you know you are going to talk to a product line expert, and your local Cadet dealership has the skilled staff who is committed to taking excellent care of your equipment for many years to come. All XT lawn and garden tractors are backed by the strongest warranty in the industry, beginning with a 3-year limited warranty on the entire tractor and powertrain, 5 years for the frame and front axle, and a limited lifetime fabricated deck shell warranty. But to get the service you expect, it's important to register your tractor to ensure proper warranty coverage. Your dealer will register the tractor for you during the purchase process. If not, all you have to do is visit us online at Cheapmowers.com for easy registration. Even faster, if your tractor is equipped with the innovative Bluetooth smart monitor, registration is as close as your smartphone with the Connect app. This Connect app tracks your unit's hourly usage and conveniently reminds you when to service your tractor to keep it running like new. The simple-to-use app records the servicing of your tractor, offers step-by-step service tips, operator's manuals, as well as links to helpful how-to videos and more. The XT Enduro Series lawn and garden tractors have 3 distinct models: the XT1, XT2, and the XT3. The XT1 is our base platform. Additional features for maximizing strength, comfort, and versatility have been designed for the XT2 and XT3 models. Let's take a closer look at what this new platform has to offer. Thousands of engineering and testing hours have gone into these tractors. We've combined technology and innovation to give you the strongest tractor on the market. It starts at the front with the bumper. This tubular steel bumper adds style and protection for the front end. Behind that is the newly sculpted hood. Not only stylish, but functional, with louvers to improve airflow and keep the engine performance at its peak. It also comes equipped with energy-efficient, targeted bright white LED lights, making your tractor easy to operate early in the morning or late in the evening. Under the hood is a premium engine. Engines vary by model, so talk to your dealer to find the best match for your needs. Most have quick-turn oil drains and are designed for easy service and maintenance. Ergonomic design and testing have achieved a new level of comfort for the operator. The premium high back seat is angled to the frame and adjustable to perfectly fit any body type. The superior material and seat shape conform to your needs. And larger springs help maintain a smooth ride over rough terrain. The soft touch steering wheel with a flat bottom and our open floorboard design makes it easy to get on and off the tractor. This soft touch steering wheel, paired with a new responsive steering system, reminds you that you're in control of your tractor. You'll notice that the tractor is equipped with a side fill angled inlet fuel tank, sight window to monitor fuel level, throttle lever, a maintenance monitor, cruise control, and key switch with mow in reverse functionality, all in a central location. There is a storage tray in front of the steering wheel and another storage tray and beverage holder on the left fender. The cutting deck height adjustment lever is conveniently located on the right fender and offers spring assist for easy adjustment from 1 to 4-inch deck height. Operator foot controls are angled and positioned for comfort and ease of operation. Now, let's talk about some of the areas of this new XT Enduro Series lawn tractor that are harder to see. This tractor frame is dipped in an e-coat paint process that uses an electrical current to draw the paint into every nook and cranny of the frame for superior rust and corrosion protection. Our steering system is redesigned for smooth operation. The rugged, articulating front cast iron pivot bar is machined for a precise fit and a lifetime of use. Both axles pass through machined cast iron bores that are greasable and robotically welded to the axle arms, providing smooth rotation side to side and eliminating axle-to-axle arm movement for optimal steering response. Adjustable drag links allow for fine-tuning of the front wheel assemblies, further enhancing steering, providing accurate tire tracking, and improved tire wear. XT2 units come with greasable ball bearings for a smooth ride and premium rolling performance. This steering system was designed to give you automotive-style steering, ultimately providing a superior, more uniform cut of your lawn. The Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series features a tough torque hydro transmission that provides smooth, quiet, continuously variable speeds in forward and reverse. With a rider of this quality, it only makes sense to offer you a more rugged design of the cutting deck, where the real job gets done. Available in 42, 46, 50, or 54-inch sizes, robust fabricated and stamped decks were engineered with stronger pulleys and improved belt angles for minimized stress and better heat resistance, resulting in longer belt life. Maintenance-free ball bearing cutting deck spindles are triple lip sealed and capped to keep debris and water out, allowing for full life operation. The new shape and position of the deck tunnel has been designed and tested to maximize airflow and grass discharge. Our baggers have been engineered for performance from blade to bag, with a flow-through system giving you the professional results you expect from Cub Cadet. Bagging keeps your lawn healthy by easily picking up leaves so your yard will look its best. Or mulch your grass in between cuts to help feed the lawn with its own nutrients to give you a lush green yard. Why not do more to enjoy your investment each season? Use the sunshade or snow cap to protect you from the effects of extreme heat or blowing winter storms. The newly designed rugged 3X 3-stage snow thrower attachment allows for quick and easy snow removal, letting your tractor do more than just cut grass. Cub Cadet's innovation doesn't stop there. Introducing the new Cub Cadet hauler. The most unique feature is its foldability. With all 4 panels collapsed, hauling larger materials and heavy loads makes yard work hassle-free. These features of your XT Enduro Series lawn tractor and the variety of attachments help you achieve the professional results you expect. You get out of it all that we put into it. Cub Cadet, built in America since 1961.